Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Samantha. Today, we're diving into the latest developments surrounding Twitch, the leading live streaming platform. In May 2025, Twitch introduced several significant updates to enhance user experience and monetization. One notable addition is the implementation of picture-in-picture ads, allowing viewers to continue watching streams while advertisements play. Additionally, Twitch launched the Treasure Train feature, offering a 35% discount on Tier 1 subscription bundles to incentivize viewer support for streamers. However, the platform also imposed a 100-hour limit on highlight and upload videos, affecting content storage and accessibility. To mitigate this, Twitch extended the deadline for exporting content to other platforms, providing streamers with more flexibility. In the political arena, Senate Democrats are being encouraged to engage with younger voters by utilizing platforms like Twitch and Snapchat. This initiative aims to modernize outreach strategies following significant losses in the previous year. Senator Cory Booker highlighted that Senate Democrats have been surpassing Republicans in daily social media engagement, averaging 1.4 million more engagements per day in the past month. Musician and content creator DDG has been leveraging Twitch to revolutionize his music-making process. He conducted a 7-day live stream event called Hitathon, during which fans directly influenced the creation of his fourth album, Blame the Chat, by selecting beats and providing instant feedback. This collaborative approach has helped DDG connect more deeply with his audience and redefine his artistic process. For gaming enthusiasts, Twitch is hosting limited-time drop events for popular titles. Players can earn exclusive in-game rewards by watching eligible streams. For instance, Doom: The Dark Ages offers unique cosmetic items through Twitch drops, available until June 2nd, 2025. Similarly, Marvel Rivals has introduced the Chronovium Twitch drop, allowing players to obtain a free cosmetic by watching participating streams until May 29th, 2025. Looking ahead, TwitchCon Europe is set to celebrate its 10th anniversary in Rotterdam from May 31st to June 1st, 2025. The event promises to bring together streamers, fans, and industry professionals for a weekend of panels, performances, and community engagement. Later in the year, TwitchCon North America will return to San Diego from October 17th to 19th, continuing the tradition of celebrating the vibrant Twitch community. That's all for today's update. Stay tuned to Samantha for more insights and developments on Twitch and the broader streaming landscape.